Hi students, now let's start our new chapter, control structures. Okay, this is very important chapter. In this video we will discuss about various control structures in Python. Okay, what do you mean by control structures? Let's see the definition. A program statement that causes a jump of control from one part of a program to another. So what do you mean by control statements? A program statement that causes a jump of control from one part of a program to another part of a program, that is called control statements. Okay, these control statements are also called as compound statements. A computer program may contain set of statements. Okay, you have to execute these statements to get the result. Basically, these computer program statements are executed in a sequential order. Sequential order means what? One by one. Okay, one after another. So that is called sequential statements. Okay, sequential statements. These sequential statements are executed one by one in the sequential order. But in some places, we need to skip some set of statements and execute another set of statements based on the condition. Okay. So this type of statements are called alternative or branching statements. Okay. Alternative or branching statements. Suppose we may need to execute a set of statements multiple times, then that is called iteration or looping statements. Okay, iteration or looping statements. So these three types of statements are called control statements. Okay, so let's see the definition. The program statements jumps from one part of a program to another part of a program based on the condition. That statements are called control statements. Okay, which means it skips some segment of a program and execute another segment of a program based on the condition. So that type of statements are called control statements. Okay, that control statements are also called as compound statements. These control statements are divided into three types. What are they? Sequential statements, alternative or branching statements, iteration or looping statements. Okay. So in this video, let us see about sequential statements. Okay. In the next video, I will explain about alternative and branching statements. And after that, I will explain about iteration and looping statements. Okay. Now let us see about sequential statements. Okay. Sequence of statements which are executed one after another is called sequential statements. These sequential statements are executed one by one in the sequential order. So sequence of statements which are executed one after another. Okay, one by one. So now let us see one example. I am going to write a program to print a person name and address. Okay, print hello, this is Shyam, and next statement is print, I am writing address 43 second land TN. So this is the first statement, this is the second statement. The sequential statements are executed in the sequential order. Okay, which means one after another. So first this statement will be executed and next this statement will be executed. Okay, so you will get the output for this code. Hello, this is Shyam. Okay, hello, this is Shyam, and next address 43 second land TN. This is the output for this code. So sequential statements are executed one after another. Okay, first you have to execute first statement and next second statement, next third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, you have to execute in the sequential order. Okay, so this is about sequential statements.